Hello everybody, and welcome back to your training videos. In this video, you will learn how to set up your payment integration with Glofox. On your home dashboard, you should see Glofox payments and the statement update and review your payment settings to receive payments. You can click on the blue Review Now button, and it will take you to the place where you need to go to create your payment integration with Glofox. There's another way as well how you can get to the same place. You can click on the menu icon on the top right corner of your screen, click on the settings button here, and then click on the payments tab. Again, brings you back to the same place. To set up your credit card integration, you're going to click on the blue configure button, and it will bring you to where you need to input information to set up the credit card integration. Now, depending on the credit card integration that you're using, the information that's going to be asked for after you click on the configure button will be specific to your integration. You can also set up cash payments, complimentary payments, and bank transfer payments. Please note that only staff members can choose these payment methods when a transaction is about to be made. If you don't want to allow any of these payment methods by your staff, you can just toggle off the button here. And on the bottom, we have the Pay Later function. You can turn that on or off, and this is turning it on will allow your members and your staff to choose this option when they are booking or your staff are booking your members into class. You can also choose whether or not you only want to allow staff to be able to do this and not your members. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you set up your payment integration, where you set up your payment integration, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.